In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle contractors in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to add a contractor, make sure their payments are tracked correctly for 1099s, and pay them in a way that keeps your books clean and accurate. Let's start with adding the contractor. In QuickBooks Online, you have two main ways to do this. One option is to go to the Expenses tab, then choose Vendors, and click on New Vendor. Another option is to go to the Workers section, then Contractors, and select Add a Contractor. Both paths get you to the same place, so use whichever fits better with how you normally navigate QuickBooks. Once you're on the contractor setup screen, enter their name along with any other details you have, like their business name, email, and address. If you're using QuickBooks Payroll, you'll see an option to send the contractor an email invitation. This is a great time saver because it lets them complete their own profile and submit their W-9 information digitally, directly into QuickBooks. If you prefer to fill out the information yourself or the contractor isn't using the invitation, make sure you already have a signed W-9 form from them. That form gives you the legal name, tax identification number, and address you need to report their income correctly at year-end. Keep that W-9 on file outside of QuickBooks as part of your records. While you're still in the contractor or vendor profile, look for the option that says Track Payments for 1099 and turn it on. This is very important. It tells QuickBooks that this vendor is a 1099 contractor and that any eligible payments you make to them should be included when you prepare 1099s. If you use the contractor invitation feature, the W-9 details they submit will automatically appear in their profile, and you can review those details there to confirm everything looks right. Once the contractor is set up and marked for 1099 tracking, you're ready to pay them. You can write a check and record that check in QuickBooks, making sure to select the correct contractor name and expense account. If you have a QuickBooks Payroll subscription, you can pay contractors through direct deposit, which pulls directly from your bank and records the payment automatically. You can also simply record bills or expenses for any payments you've made outside the system, again tying them to that contractor profile. As long as each payment is linked to the contractor and the correct account, QuickBooks will handle the totals for your 1099s at year-end.